In this video, we will cover how to take advantage of your SMS campaign functionality in your Elevate CRM. In order to utilize the SMS campaign tool, please ensure that you have established your VoIP connection to your Elevate CRM. In order to do so, go into your profile section, which can be found on the left-hand column of navigation, to create your VoIP connection. If you need tutorials for this process, you will find that they are present in our Help Center. Once you've established your VoIP connection inside of the Elevate program, you may proceed on the left-hand column for navigation to access under Campaigns your SMS Campaign option. By selecting the SMS Campaign option, you will find that there are three specific types of campaigns that can be established, two of which are pre-designated templates that are built into the Elevate program on your behalf. Between the two pre-populated campaigns, you will find that there is currently a buyer lead short-term campaign, as well as a seller lead short-term campaign. By selecting one of these two options, you will find that a pre-populated campaign will be built out on your behalf. Although these campaigns are pre-populated, you do have the ability to customize certain functions and features of these particular templates. The first thing that you want to do is make sure that you've established a specific source to your campaign so that you can ensure that it's going out to the right customer base. Within selecting the specific client sources, you may select more than one if you feel that is needed. In addition to adjusting your client sources, you also can change the name of your campaign if you would like to do so. Once you establish the initial criteria for your pre-populated campaign, you may look through the different notices that will be sent out to your customers based on the current template structure. If you'd like to review any of the notices that are built into the campaign, you can select the pencil icon to go in and observe the communications that are going out from the platform to your clients. If you would like to make any changes to these campaigns, you do have the ability to do that by simply modifying the text. Once you've customized that text, you can select the Done icon located at the bottom right-hand side. Beyond modifying the communication going out to your customers through these SMS messages, you also can add additional communication touchpoints on days of your choosing. Once you've done so, you would be able to add in additional communications at later dates or earlier durations within your communication touchpoints. Once you've completed these steps, you can select the Done icon to populate this campaign into your account. If you would like to create your own campaign, this also would be a possibility by simply going into the options under Create Campaign to select your own campaign. By creating your own campaign, it will require for you to populate all the recommended criteria, such as the campaign name and how you will discover or locate that campaign, the client sources that are affiliated with this campaign, along with the type of client that will be receiving the communications. Once you've done this, you also want to ensure that your clients are being set up under a specific status to receive these communications at the right time. Once you've completed these steps, you can proceed in establishing your campaign based on specific days and structure of the campaign that you would like to utilize. If you're setting your campaign's initial touchpoint up for day one, you will find that that communication will go out on the day that that lead has been created. If you're setting that up for right away, you will find that that lead, once entering into your account, will receive that communication within 10 minutes or less. If it's scheduled for a later time, you are able to set a specific time for when that communication should be delivered to your customer. By setting up the initial instructions for this campaign text, you will be able to proceed in writing the body of your message of your choosing and then completing this initial step. To create additional times or dates, simply go into Add Additional Days and Dates that you would like for the communication to be delivered so that you can create your campaign in its entirety. Once you've selected a specific campaign to be established into your account, you will be able to monitor and track the behavior of the campaign and where your clients currently reside within the status of the campaign itself. By observing the campaign manager, you can observe any active campaigns that you currently have in place. You can choose to run or pause these campaigns at a moment's notice inside of the campaign manager once a campaign has been created. Once a campaign has been created, simply click on the pencil in the Action section to review where your clients currently are located throughout this process, whether your clients are in the active status, in other words, still receiving these communications from this campaign, whether your clients have unsubscribed, or whether your clients have completed the cycle of these communications being delivered. If you would like to add additional clients to the campaign itself, you can simply click on Add Lead, and that will drop your client into this campaign cycle. Within the platform itself, you are able to create as many campaigns as you would like, and certainly can take advantage of these campaigns in any way that you see fit. For additional questions regarding the SMS Campaign tool, please feel free to reach out to our support team.